Everyone, today's video I will show you how to fix sound problem on Link Messenger app. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Go open your settings of your mobile phone, click at apps option and search for Link Messenger app and click. So here scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache right now. And back, click on force stop and click OK. Directly move to Play Store or App Store and update Link Messenger app. Restart here right now your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next tutorial.